So, good day everyone. So, I'm Sir Purge M. Cotejo and I will discuss the tools in animation. So, it also includes its uses and equipments in animation. So, objectives. So, at the end of this lesson, the students or the listeners should be able to first discuss the different traditional animation tools. The second is to identify the digital tools, and lastly to differentiate different animation softwares. So, for our first topic, we have the traditional tools. First, we have the peg bar. So, a peg bar is an animation tool used in traditional animation to keep the drawing in place. So, a key animator or lead animator will draw the key drawing or keyframes in a scene using the character layouts as a guide. So the second one we have is the animation light box. So a light box is a translucent surface illuminated from behind, so used for situations where a shape laid upon the surface needs to be seen with high contrast. For the third one, we have the animation disc. So, animation disc is a drawing disc placed on a light box and used to work out camera moves and planning walk cycles. So, next we have the animation paper. So, when animating, you often find that you are working with 4 or more layers of paper. So, a level of translucency is necessary in order to see all the drawings. So, professional animation paper is made with this in mind. For the fifth one, we have the cell or transparent sheets. So, a cell, short for celluloid, is a transparent sheet on which objects are drawn or painted for traditional hand-drawn animation. For the sixth is we have the paints. So paint is any pigmented liquid or solid mastic composition that, after application to a substrate in a thin layer, converts to a solid film. So it is most commonly used to protect, color, or provide texture. For the seventh one, we have the colored or drawing pencils. So colored pencils features a wood casing filled with wax or oil base inside. So pigment is also added and mixed with water and bonding agents to create the rainbow colors. For the eighth one, we have the 3-hole punch paper. So a 3-hole punch is an office must-have and a simple way to keep all your documents organized and stable within a binder. And for the last traditional tools we have is art gum eraser. So a gum eraser has a soft, somewhat gummy texture and can have a slightly translucent look appearance. So they absorb graphite and crumble as they erase. So for the next topic, we have the digital tools. So, for the first digital tool, we have the drawing tablet. So, a graphic tablet is a computer input device that enables a user to hand-draw image, animations, and graphics with a special pen-like stylus similar to the way a person draws image with a pencil and paper. So, for the second digital tool, we have the pen stylus. So, a stylus is a small pen-shaped instrument whose tip position on a computer monitor can be detected. So it is used to draw or to make selections by tapping. So for the third digital tool, we have the camcorder or camera. So a camcorder, aka camera recorder, is a portable electronic recording device capable of recording live motion, video, and audio for later playback. For the fourth digital tool, we have the camera rig. So camera rigs are camera support systems that help cinematographers add specific movements to a shot. for the fifth one, we have the computer. So, a computer is a digital electronic machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences and arithmetic or logical operation automatically. So, it is also used for animation. So, for the sixth digital tool, we have the scanner. So, an image scanner, often abbreviated to just scanner, is a device that optically scans images, printed text, handwritings, or an object and converts it to a digital image. So, for the seventh, we have, or I will be presenting 5 animation softwares. So, the first animation software is the 3D Max or Autodesk. So, this is commercial animation software tool, allows digital artists to produce 3D animations, including developing models and rendering them into 2D or 3D image. The next animation software we have is Maya. So this is commercial software, provides digital artists with a comprehensive platform and an extensive feature set, so including modeling, simulation, and rendering to create 3D computer animations. The third one, we have the Moho Pro 13. So, formerly known as Anime Studio, this vector-based 2D animation software gives digital artists various tools to create animations and cartoons. So, this includes 2D and 3D characters. So for the fourth one, we have Movely. So the novice and expert can use this cloud-based software to create animated video and videos with animated graphics for various applications, including marketing and training. So for the last animation software we have is Stop Motion Studio. So this software provides an intuitive interface. So its features includes frame-by-frame editing to allow digital artists of all ages to create stop-motion movies using a desktop or phone app.